quite many years.
Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh responded to the agitation of the All Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association by advocating for unity among associations and highlighting the imbalance in the market with a shortfall of 3,000 vehicles to ferry tourists. He also said that it is important that various associations should come under a single platform. He further said two stakeholders, a level meeting, have been held with various groups connected to the tourism sector, including transporters, hoteliers, homestay owners, drivers association and guides.
With everybody connected with the tourism sector, including transporters, including hoteliers, homestay owners, drivers associations, guides. All of these have been involved in 2 rounds of discussions. What emerged from that discussion was that a number of issues were flagged, but it's very important that the various associations come under a single platform.